Hello and welcome all. I, Professor Ashish Apte, Department of Engineering Sciences at AISSMS IIT Pune. Today we will see cycloid. We'll see one problem on cycloid. First of all, what is meant by cycloid? Cycloid, it is a locus of a point on the periphery of a circle which rolls on a straight line path. I'm repeating again, it is a locus of a point on the periphery of a circle which rolls on a straight line path. Okay. So we'll read the problem, that is draw a locus of a point on the periphery of a circle which rolls on straight line path. Means we have to draw cycloid. Take circle diameter as a 50 mm. Draw normal tangent on the curve at a point 40 mm above the directing line. So first of all, this is some step. We have to draw. First take center, draw a horizontal line, and this line is equal to pi d. Suppose draw the circle given diameter as 50 mm. Radius is 25 mm. So draw one circle having radius is 25 mm. Then mark this point and this distance is pi d, that is pi into diameter of a circle. Then this is distance pi d. Then second part, divide the circle into 12 equal parts and give the numbering, that is 1, 2. We can divide by angle. Uh, so this is 360 and 360 divided by 10, so we got the angle. Or if you want to divide into 8, then 360 divided by 8. So then divide, mark the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and join the line. Then these are the points on circumference of a circle. The next step is extend this point horizontally. 6, 5 and 7 lies on the same line. Point 4 and 8 lies on the same line. 3 and 9 lies on the same line. This is center line. Draw with the software. These all are the construction line. Then 2 and 10 point lies on the same line. Then 1 and 11 lies on the same line. Next, this is key point. Then next, we have to divide this horizontal line or base line into 12 equal parts, because we already divided this circle into 12 equal parts. If I divide it into 8, then I have divided this line peripheral into 8 equal parts. So this is pi d. Then take any radius in compass, just this first point, and mark first, second, then third, then fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And join this end point to this horizontal line end point. Don't change the angle, extend it up to the 1. Join all these points or extend all these points on the horizontal line. Then extend these points up to the center line. Is here. All the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to the 12. Then give naming, that is C1, C2, C3, C4, C5 up to the C12. This is my C point, center of a circle. Then this is my C1, 1 point first, C2, second, C3, third, C4, fourth, C5, fifth, up to the C12. Then next, take C to P as a radius in a compass. C1 as a center, cut the first line. Where is the first line? First construction line. The 11 and first is on the this point is on the same line. So cut C1 as a radius. Take radius is equal to C to P, or the radius of a circle, that is 25 mm. C1 as a center and cut the first line. This is my first point. Then same radius C2 as a center and cut the second line. Where is second line? This second line. Then C3 as a center. This is my second point. Then C3 as a center, cut the third line. Where is that? This is center line. So this is my third point. Then C4 as a center, same radius, that is equal to C2P, or the radius of the circle. C4, and where is the fourth line? This is the fourth line. We'll cut it. Yeah. Okay. Then this is my fourth point. Then C5 as a center, cut the fifth line, is my 1 feet. Then C6 as a center, cut the sixth line. Then 7 line. Where is the 7 line? The 7 as a center. 5 and 7 point is lies on the same line. Okay. So cut the 7 as C7 as a center. Cut the 7th line. That's 7 point. Then C8. Where is the 8? This 8. Cut it. Then C9 as a center. 9 points. C 9 and 3 point on same line. Cut here. Is my 9 point. Then C10 as a center and 10. Then C11 as a center and cut the 11 line. That is 1 and 11 on the same line. Then C12 to last point. So don't forget to naming, that is P1, P2, P3, P4 up to the P12. Then draw smoothly curve. This is your required cycloid. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.